So, hello fellow coin collectors, this is Glenn, back with another search of a 1 kilo coin lot. So, as you can see, all the coins are here, quite a lot of them, and so what I need to do is I need to divide them up. So, I'm going to take a fifth, okay, so probably like that, just push it to the side. And I'll make sure it doesn't interfere with the other coins I got. So, there we go. These coins I'll save for later. And don't worry about the cling clang, cling clang, cling clang. There's probably too much coins there. So, we'll just have a look at these. If there's any coins I've done in ever previous videos, we'll just skip them. Like this Venezuelan 1 bolivar, done that before. So the first one is a Turkish 1 lira from 1966. This is a steel coin. In this condition, probably worth about $1. But I actually like it. It's quite a big coin. And the reading is actually quite nice as well. So I might actually put that aside and keep it. So these ones are seen about $1. More Italian coins, there's quite a lot of these Indian coins, not too sure why. There's like a few 100 million Indian coins issued per denomination each year, so it's only worth collecting if there's errors, but errors are actually not rare as well. So I've got a few Spanish pesetas. That one actually looks very good. What date's that? 75, I'll keep that. I actually don't have it. Okay, Swedish 5 krona, so this is equivalent to $1. And this one's 1983, and these were demonetized in 2016. I'm not too sure if you can exchange them at the Riksbank, the Swedish central bank, which is the oldest central bank in the world. But I already have that coin. New Zealand 50-cent coin. Oh, sorry. So, because this one has an exchange rate of $1, it's probably worth about $2 or $3 itself. Okay, 50-cent coin from New Zealand. This is demonetized as well in 2006, so 14 years ago. 1980, these are usually low mints compared to Australian coins. So, probably just a few million minted. Probably 4 or 5. Population New Zealand, I think, is about 4.5 million. Back in 1980, it would have been probably about 3 million. So, not many coins actually needed. And has the Endeavour. So that's probably worth about $1 or $2. Some more Indian. More, yep. You know that country. The inflation country. Another Indian, 5 rupees. Exchange rate of 10 cents. Probably not even worth $1 in that grade. And, oh my god, look at this coin. East German. I reckon it's a 10 pfennig. What do you think? The size at the moment is about 1 pfennig size, but I reckon 10 pfennig. Let's turn it over. Could be 5. Ah, damn, it's a 5. Got that wrong. Someone had fun with that, cutting that up. So that's not even worth selling. And then we have another Bolivian. And this is a 50 centavos. Yep. Damage. So really only worth selling as a lot. Another Indian coin. Quite common, those ones. Bahamas. Oh, I don't have this one. This one is a 1 cent coin, a larger one. And that one is going into the collection. Worth about $1. Got heaps of these Taiwanese. Just keep these when I go back to Taiwan and spend them. So another UK. Oh, another Taiwanese. So this is an aluminium coin. This is a 1 zao. So a 10 cent coin. The lowest was 5, but this one's dated 44. So that'll be 1955. And pity it's damaged. I don't actually have this coin, but I'll keep it anyway, just as a gap filler. More Czech Republic coins. so I can get rich in the Czech Republic. Oh, Euro coin, 2 cent. Slovensko, so this is Slovakia. Slovakia or Slovenia? Well, one of the twos. I think it's Slovenia. Slovenia and Slovakia, the flag's pretty similar, and so is the coat of arms. Anyway, I'll keep that one. I don't actually have it. Got heaps of these. Oh, look at this. Ooh, now this is definitely a low mint coin. I know the Irish farthings. This is high grade as well. It's 49. I think it's like 200, 300,000. So it's actually a good find. This coin in itself is probably worth about $20 to $30. If it's actually, I just looked at them before. It's about 200,000 minted, so pretty low mint coin. So that makes up for the cost. So France probably worth $1, 1 franc. Canadian current coin, 5 cents. The lowest denomination is beaver. Another Irish coin, 1980, 2 pence. Nice design. So I sell these, we'll do half and a 1 for probably $1. Oh look, I got a 5 cent coin. Yay, this is a rare 5 cent coin from Australia. Country that doesn't exist, that's why it's rare. This one's worth 5 cents. Okay, 10 pesos from Mexico, 1985, worth about $1. This one's a higher grade, so I might actually replace that in my collection. Okay, another Indian coin. Another New Zealand, face value. This one's Indonesian. Looks like has a bird of paradise on it. 1971, pretty low grade. Just sell it for a lot. Chile, the first, I think this is 10 pesos. Yep. So the first one. So the second one has a guy's head on it. And my first Croatian coin, and this is 2013. Has the Croatian name of the plant. The coins are issued in the even calendar years has a Latin name. This one's a 20 lipa from Croatia. I'll keep that. Another Czechoslovakia, not Czech Republic. 79. This is 50 haroru. Probably about $1. And these ones I keep. South African 20 cent. So this is a current coin. Has a Waratah on it. I believe it's a Waratah. So the later coins actually have different languages on them. So each year the language on the coin changes. I think from 95 that is. From memory, I can't remember actually. Got Alzheimer's. Damn. So another German coin. Need to check the German coins for the low mint coins. Mexican 1 peso, current coin. This is 96. On the back has the coat of arms. Worth about 10 cents exchange rate. Another Chile coin. Philippines, 10 cents. So if I don't say the value, then it's really just not worth much. Indian coin. Another coin I don't have, and this is a 10 cents from Bermuda, so I'll keep that one. Iceland, 1946, 1 euro. So I don't have that coin, so keep that one. That's good. And a Bahamas 1 cent. I've got a few of these, so that's it for those. So most of these I actually will not keep, so that's that. And the coins I will keep are this lot here. So I actually got quite a few to keep out of that one. So anyway, if you actually wanted to build up your collection, this is one way, or you can actually buy sets. But anyway, here is where I'll leave the video, and I'll set up for the next video. Thank you very much, and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you, and goodbye.